So I'm going to make the lemon garlic crusted salmon. This is what will look the final products. So here is the recipe. You need these items in about 35 minutes to prepare this one for poor people. So it's fairly simple. So let's get started. So I have two big pieces of salmon here. So I made a small pieces. Next I will put garlic, actually lemon pepper and some garlic, and maybe some spices as your taste. You may use garlic powder. So it's ready to put in the oven now. I have an air fryer, so probably this is the best thing, and I've been enjoying it for the last year and a half. So you can put a small pieces of foil here, or you can spray the oil, or you can use regular oven to cook now. So they squeeze beautifully here. So it's ready now. So 380 degrees for about 20 minutes or 21 minutes, and it will be ready to serve at least for 2 or 3 people with the two fillet. So after 30 minutes they look perfect, golden, crispy, so good. Now ready to serve. So here is my final touch, salmon. It's pretty ready. It's great with some vegetables and then salads. I have some mixed vegetables and fruits and so and so. And here is a Brussels sprouts and carrot cooked. Alright, this is ready to serve now. It looks great. The salmon may be too much for one person, but hey, I'm the only person here in the family to eat fish.